Damn! What is up with that?
You can't make this up, man. Oh my God. Wow. That's nuts. Here on our first service call, we got a Fujitsu ductless system, an LG ductless system. You notice right away that the line set they used is that a non-UV rated one. That's why the insulation is crumbling apart. And also the chemicals in the line set wear down the copper and erodes away the copper from the outside in, causing pinhole leaks. So we were here 2 years ago, added a few pounds of refrigerant, and looks like we're here again. But look at this. That's just crazy. And if you feel the line, it just can tell. Look at how the green, see? It's insane. You know what? I would love to give them a new system. Comes around here and it goes up there, so we have a single zone. We can even reuse some of the covers here. This is the 100, same one that we install. Oh man, that really sucks. By the way, I'm using the Ray-Ban Meta glasses Generation 2 for my video content, for all those who are interested. Alright, so we have an AOU 24 RLXFZ outdoor unit. Looks like there's just one screw. Oh, is there just one screw? Yeah. Doesn't want to come off. There you go. No, I was wrong. 2 zones. I wasn't paying attention. See, look at this. It's freezing up. No bueno. Well, look what they did. They put pipe dope on that. See what our pressures are like. You know what? You have an apprentice for one day and he messes everything up. You know, like, just put things back where they belong, right? Come on, man. Why you make my life so hard? I have every tool has a place. Every single tool has a place. Let's see if we can get this on there. Yeah. That says 10 PSI. All right, let's fill out the service invoice. Crazy. All right, I thought my glasses were recording, but we recovered exactly 0.8 pounds of refrigerant out of the system. So with ductless mini split systems, you need to charge by weigh-in. Now the weigh-in is 4 pounds and 14 ounces. So we took out exactly that 14 ounces or almost. So all we have to do is now is add 4 pounds. I have a 25-pound container of R410A Inverted upside down. Let's get the air out of the line. I always turn it the wrong way. There you go. Now we're going to connect that to our probe that we have on that line, and we're going to open up this valve, and we're going to add 4 pounds. Easy peasy, right? The hardest part here is, unfortunately, recharging the system on a system that we know has leaks, which is not illegal to do. You can legally add refrigerant to your system. Don't let anyone else tell you that it's a crime, it's a violation of EPA rules. No. In a residential setting, for this size system, it is perfectly acceptable to do this. Now, it may not be an enjoyable moment for the homeowner and the client's wallet, but this is the solution in lieu of making system replacement. I'm going to stop after 2 pounds just so the system could balance out. There you go. Just going to let that sit and balance itself out for a moment. Let's open up the valve again. That 1/4 inch line is frosting over. We're going to go to the remaining 4 pounds that the system needs. £4. The system is now at 100%, just like it came from the factory. We have an outdoor ambient temperature of around 67 degrees. Let's check our discharge temperature. See if it'll stay. Negative. We're extracting the heat from the home. 87.5 degrees right now. That is our condenser discharge temperature. Exactly 4 pounds. We're at 120 psi. This is a textbook service call on recharging a mini split ductless system. If you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you're tired of getting bamboozled by HVAC contractor, pick up the phone, give us a call, 516-348-6300. 90. Let's go check our outlet temperatures on the indoor wall evaporators. Well, it's 54 degrees outlet now, 52, 50, 48, 47, 47 degrees.
How about the last 10 years?
No.
Oh, you sure about that?
It's not my old shit.
Damn. What is up with that?
Because I'm never home to use it.
I hear you.
It's the in-laws. Blame it on the in-laws.
No.
Let me go wash this house outside. Oh my God. What? You can't make this up, man. Oh my God. Wow. That's nuts. I'm just gonna rinse this with some water. We're gonna have to clean this with some chemical. But look, all that dirt coming out of this filter. Crazy. Maybe we'll get some chemical. Just some spray 9. Tough on grease and grime. Heavy duty cleaner. Degreaser. Works very well. Works very well, actually. The ones in the basement aren't as bad because the one in the dining room, you have all the kitchen grease and stuff like that. Yeah. All the food and stuff like that. It just gets right in there. But those look very clean. Those are good. I'm just gonna let that soak for a minute. All right. Sweet. Yeah, look. That is it. Crazy. Let's put that service port cap back on. Remember, folks, these service port caps, they're the primary defense against leaks in systems. So make sure you keep them on there. Make sure that the valve caps are also tight. I'm not touching that. You see that one's missing. See that? Missing the cap, but it hasn't been on there in quite some time because it's almost the same color. Alright. Alright, I don't know why this hasn't been done before, but there's a sticker. Beautiful.